That's not the same color. Maybe this? That's a little better. Wasn't enough, so I'm destroying this like tan palette to like put in the white paint. I don't know, it looks pretty accurate. Fuck it, I don't know. Just dab, dab, dab. The fact that that worked amazes me. It's just so like depressing now. I decided to lint roll the back of my rug, so whoa. Just one roll. I can't be tracking this in my car. So I've cleaned out every drawer and cabinet. This is what it looks like all packed up now. Very sad, very depressing. I have so much stuff though. I'm not gonna be able to put it all in my truck. And I'm taping my drawers so I can just move them like this and save space. If this doesn't all fit in my truck, I'm gonna have to come back for a second round. Stay tuned for the actual move out. Moving out of my apartment, part 5. So this is what it looks like right now. This is all of the stuff that I have to pack into my truck, including this. I'm about to take all this trash out. It's exactly 10 a.m. I just started packing my car. I have to bring all my stuff down this ramp. Then I have to bring my stuff all the way down these stairs because we don't have an elevator. And then from all the way at the end of the hall, all by myself. I've already made 4 trips and it doesn't look different. Literally rolling up my mattress. So this is like 8 trips in. So that's what we're working with right now. But that's it, guys. It's all packed. Oh my god. Bathroom too. I am so packed in here. This is it all packed. So this is the apartment. Here's all my crap. I didn't really get to move in yet because my cousin was still living in here. He literally just moved out yesterday. Anyway, here's the bathroom. Cute. This is the room I'm going to be painting. And I'm thinking about painting these walls too. But yeah, I can pretty much do anything I want to this space.
Is clean.
There's still potatoes there.
There's not. Caroline, fuck off. Oh, you're right. Fuck you, you rotten little bitch.
Today I'm going to show you guys how we clean your bathrooms at school. That closet that's usually locked is the janitor's closet with the hose and everything in it. We sweep the floor, then we take out all of your paper towels and toilet paper and mop the floor first. Then we put down that foam, that really sudsy foam that gets in between those tiles. And when you use the spinny brush, I use this brush to get places that the spinny brush can't get. And then I just go to town on the spinny brush. It's probably the funnest part of the whole thing, to be honest. Then once it's like that, you just go ahead and spray it down with the hose. Spray it towards that drain that you guys have all seen. And we just squeegee it down in there. Try not to pee in that. It would help us out a lot. But then this is the disinfectant foam that we leave on the stuff for about 5 minutes. And then after that, spray it down again. And then you squeegee it back down that pee drain. Just kidding, don't pee in it. And then that's it.
Looks like it's time to clean again. Ta-da! This part's still.
So I just learned about this and it blew my mind. You see my dirty pan, so that's the product I used. You want to cover it very thick on every inch of the pan. And if you don't have dirty pans like this, I guess I'm just fucking gross. So you want to cover it every inch, super thick. You want to let this sit. Normally you want to wait until you see it turn brown like that. You can let it sit for 8 hours plus. I was too impatient and I wanted to wipe it off after about an hour. So I recovered it after this, but I just wanted to show you everything it takes off. This makes it look like a brand new pan. Where have I been? How did I not know this? Try it.
So I've been packing up my apartment in West Virginia for like the past week or so. My lease ends in like a week and a half. Literally the only thing in all of these boxes is my clothes. Just my clothes. I love clothes, I'm sorry. I also vacuumed my floor because every time I walked without socks on, it felt like I was exfoliating my feet. We didn't have a vacuum here, okay? My tub looks great, by the way. Rest in peace to the strawberries I had growing during quarantine. I left them here. I actually got a text today that my paint for my room just got shipped yesterday. It just got shipped. So when I get back home with all of my stuff, I can finally paint. So I'm thinking when I move, I'm just going to tape my drawers so I can just bring it like this. Unfortunately, these boxes are the only progress that I've made today and yesterday and the day before that. But as the end of my lease approaches, like, I'm getting on it more. So I guess this is just a little update to let you guys know, like, where I'm at, what's popping, what am I doing, like, shit like that. I'm in West Virginia right now. I'll be home in like a week. So I guess I'll see you the next time I do something productive.
How to clean a flat top. Use a scraper and scrape off any big debris and little bits that are left on the flat top. Put down canola oil. Use a grill brick. Go back and forth, up and down motions. You kind of want to keep it in that same pattern so you get good finish on it. If you do like circles and other things like that, you'll have like a weird swirl pattern. I like to add a little bit of extra oil after I've already gone through once just to make sure I have good flow. You'll get stuck if you don't have enough oil. Go ahead, scrape all the black part off, put down one more layer of canola oil, and do one more nice pass. This will kind of get your last finish for you. Scrape all that off. Put down vinegar. This is white distilled. You can use any vinegar pretty much. Use a little scraper and a towel and get inside the nooks and crannies and make sure everything's really clean. Then I come back with a dry towel, some canola oil, and wipe that once, and then do a second pass with the dry towel. And there you have it.
I'm gonna add a bit more elbow grease. Let's see if it does the trick. Ooh. Okay, so I'm so nearly there. I've just sprayed a bit of white vinegar and gonna leave that on for a bit, then try again. Yay!
So apparently we've been washing our wooden spoons wrong, so I wanted to try it myself. Get a jug and pour some boiling hot water in it and put your spoon in. And already you can see so much come out. These are yellow oil bubbles. Now before anyone comes at me and says we don't wash it properly, we do. You should try this out yourself. I was shocked.
How to remove candle wax from your carpet. Take a few damp white towels in your iron and steam the spot for 10 to 15 seconds. The wax will slowly lift into the towel. You'll need a few. You can scoop it with a spoon and even spray some white vinegar to help lift the stain. Continue this process until it's all gone and you clean that up.
Hey guys, this is for all my pet owners. As you can see, I have a Rhodesian Ridgeback Lab mix. He is shedding exceptionally bad this season. I don't know why, but I have to vacuum every single day. This has accumulated the past 3 days. I've been a little lazy, and I want to give you guys a review on this vacuum. This vacuum is absolutely amazing. It's the Hoover Wind Tunnel High Performance Pets, and this is my entryway carpet. And it's very short fibered, so I've never really been able to clean it. It's always been, vacuumed over, but it always still looks gray from the hair. This vacuum literally sucks everything up. It's specifically for hardwood floors, which I have. So I always put it to the hardwood setting, and then it just sucks everything up. It makes this carpet look absolutely amazing. I recommend this vacuum to absolutely anyone, especially pet owners. Here's the information. It's $189 on Amazon. Go get it. You will not regret this purchase. Bye.
I'd received a lot of comments in my last flat top cleaning video on a how-to. There were people saying that it wasn't dirty enough, or that I was doing the incorrect procedure, or maybe even used Sprite. So I went ahead and did another video here. I made sure that the flat top was kind of dirty. It never really gets that dirty. I don't know. You guys are just kind of using the flat top wrong, I think. But, so again, it's all the same process. The last time I did it, it took me 8 minutes to clean. This time it took me 12. So it really wasn't that big of an inconvenience. But overall, I mean, it did take a little bit of longer time here. I did have to work a little bit harder, but I didn't have to use Sprite or any deadly chemicals. I also got a ton of hate for not seasoning the flat top, or getting rid of all the seasoning, which is odd to me. I've never heard of seasoning a flat top, so I went ahead and seasoned it in this video just for you guys. But let me know what you think in the comments, and honestly, keep subscribing because this shit's lit.
So I see everyone using toilet bowl cleaner to clean their grout, and my grout is supposed to be pink. I don't think it was ever pink, but we could at least get it not that color. So we're just gonna do one square for now. That way we can actually compare what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just let it sit, and let's see what happens. Already starting to foam, and it's only been like a minute, not even. But let's come back in 10. So it's been 10 minutes, and you can just see how nasty this is. All right, time for the toothbrush. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely disgusting. Ew, goodness. You can just see the dirt. Oh, that's disgusting.
How I organize my drawers to get the perfect fit every time. Y'all are gonna think I'm insane for this. However, I'm a very visual person and this really helps me. So hopefully it'll help someone else too. This is today's problem drawer. As you can see, my current organizer does not fit properly and I've got a lot of wasted space. Time to get down to business. Step 1, measure the drawer and make a cutout of the drawer dimension. I use wrapping paper for all of this. Step 2, find the organizers you like and make cutouts of their dimensions. This wrapping paper worked really well because the back of it has grids and they're 1-inch squares. Step 3, lay everything out so you kind of have a visual of what you want the drawer to look like. Step 4, lay the organizers on top of your items and kind of play around until you get the perfect fit. Buy the organizers and remove the 50 million stickers. Thankfully, these ones came off super easy. Wash and dry. Make sure everything fits. Apply a small amount of the clear museum gel to the bottom of each container so they stay in place. And my favorite part, watch your vision come to life. Organizing takes a lot of time and financial commitment in the beginning, but it's a breeze once you have a home for everything. If you like this video, be sure to like and follow for more.